Class 4 EVS. Okay, let's start. We have started the first chapter. Okay, see, this is the first chapter, that is, there is the first chapter. This one we have finished. Family, we have started this family, we have finished the chapter. This one we have finished, this one we have finished, this one we have finished, this one also we have finished. And I gave you homework. This one, see, I gave homework. Have you done your homeworks all? I hope all of you have you done. I think all of you have done your homeworks, isn't it? Yes. So let's check what will be a family. Let's write today. We'll do the exercise. A family, family. Family is a unit of people live together. Okay, number one will be a family. A dash is a source of joy for all the family members. What? A newborn baby. Okay, what will be? A newborn baby. Right. A newborn baby. You can take your pencil and write newborn baby. Okay. A child gets love, care, and home. A child gets what? Love, care, and a new home with new family. Child gets love, care, and a new home with a new family. Yes, a child gets love, new home with a new family. A grandmother is mother's. Okay, what will be a grandmother is mother's? Your grandmother is, our grandmother is mother's mother, isn't it? Grandmother is mother's. Your grandmother is your mother's mother. Grandmother is mother's mother. Grandmother is mother's, your mother's mother, grandmother. Okay, grandmother is mother's mother. Now, give one word answer for the following. Okay, what is this? Give one word answer for the following. Did you finish writing? You can write this one. See, all of you, you can write. Take a pencil and write. Okay, the next one, let's do this one. Okay, now give one word answer. What is this? Give one word answer. Okay, now don't give cross. Okay, we'll do all, whatever we have, we'll do all. Now, what do you call your, now give all this, you have to rub it. We'll do all today. Rub this one. Okay, now give a tick mark here. B. Give one word answer for the following. What do you call your father's father? Father's father will be, write, take a pencil and write, grandfather. What is the term used for relatives from your mother's side? What is the term used for relatives from my mother's side? Maternal. 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 Okay. From where is a child born? A child is born from mother's womb. 9 months the child stays in the mother womb. WOMB. The place where the child stays before giving birth. Okay, the 9 month, the place, okay, where the child stays called womb. That is the mother's stomach. Okay, that is inside the mother's stomach. Womb, that is called womb. WOMB, womb. What is the place where homeless children stay? Orphanage. This one you have learned here. See, orphanage. Okay. or PHANAGE. Orphanage. or PHANAGE. Clear? Grandfather, maternal, womb, orphanage. Now this one. Aunt's child. Aunt. Now this is what? Number C. Sorry. First, match the following. Match the following. Aunt's child. Aunt's child will be cousin. So write here 1. Mother's father. Mother's father. Mother's father will be grandfather. Yes, good. Father's sister. Father's sister will be aunt. Good. Mother's brother. Mother's brother will be uncle. Yes, You know, I have taught you very good. You have done it. So, aunt's child, cousin. Aunts and uncle childs are cousin. Mother's father is grandfather. Father's sister, aunt. Mother's brother, uncle. Clear? Now, short answer type question. This one we'll discuss today, and I will give you the answers on the WhatsApp. You have a WhatsApp group, class 4. So I'll send you the answers on the WhatsApp group. I will just discuss the answers today, okay? Short answer type question. Now see, number 1. How has the family structure changed over the years? Now go to the first page. First page is what? Family. See. Change in the family structure over the years. So here, okay, now you know Rid and Sia, they ask their mother that they don't live with the grandparents, okay? Now why they don't live with the grandparents? Because they live in a nuclear family. Their mothers used to live in a joint family, so they have everyone in the family. They had everyone in the family, grandparents, aunt, uncle, siblings. But Rid and Sia, they don't have grandparents. They live only with their parents. Why? Because they live in a nuclear family. Okay? So like this, as days or year passes, the structure of family is changing. Why? Why the family structure has changed? Now see the reason. See, is how the family structure has changed over the years due to various reasons. Now there are some reasons. Some members leave their family in order to work at different places. Some members, they go out and work to earn money, so they have to leave the family and go out. So the family structure is changing. And others move to different cities for, and some members, they leave their family and they go out to do further studies to become something, okay, to become something in life. So they have to go to some other places and study, so they have to leave the family. So like this, the family structure is changing. One by one they are leaving, so the family structure is changing. Clear? So this is the way the family structure is changing. Members are leaving and the family, so one by one it's reducing and the family structure is changing. Before it was a joint family, everyone used to live together. Now everyone is living in what? In a nuclear family. So this is the change. Previous, your grandmother, grandfather used to live in a joint family, okay, basically. But now everyone lives in a small family, that is nuclear family. This is how the family structure is changing. Clear? This is the answer. Number 2. Who is a grandmother? Who is a grandmother? What is number 2 question? Who is a grandmother? Number 1 discussed. Now who is a grandmother? Mother's mother or father's mother? Mother's mother or father's mother is a grandmother. Clear? How does a child become a part of extended family? Now, how does a child? When a newborn baby is born, see, when a child is born, he or she becomes a part of a family. The immediate family of the baby include her or his parents and siblings in the family. So, like this, he becomes a part of the family. When a newborn baby is born, he immediately becomes a part of the family. His parents becomes a part of the family, and he also becomes a siblings of the family. So this is how a newborn baby is extended in the family. A newborn baby extends the family. See, how does a new child become a part of extended family? Clear? When a newborn baby is born, he immediately becomes the part of the family. So the family is extended, it is increased, okay, and he becomes a sibling of the family. This is how a newborn baby becomes a part of extended family. Who is a cousin? Uncles and aunt children are called cousin. Who is cousin? Uncles or aunts children are called cousin. Clear? Now, long answer questions. What do you understand by the term family? I think everyone knows. Very easy. I taught you. Several times I told you. What is a family? Now tell me. A family is a unit. See, a family is a unit of people who live together, share and spend time together, are related to each other. What is family? A family is a unit of people who live together, share and spend time together, and are related to each other. Okay, you can write from here also. First step. See, a family is a unit of people who live together, share and spend time together, and are related to each other. This is a family. Okay, group of people live together who spend time together, and are related to each other is known as family. Clear? Next is write few lines on a newborn baby. Let's go to the newborn baby now. This is newborn baby. A newborn baby adds size. Okay, a newborn baby adds to the size. The family size increase because of one member is increasing, so it becomes the size is increasing. Add size to of a family. He or she is a source of joy to all the family members. A newborn baby should be welcomed with open arms, whether it is a boy or a girl. Now, when a newborn baby is born, the family size increases. He is a source of joy. Everyone is happy because of the baby to all the family members. Now he or she should be welcomed. The baby should be welcomed with an open arm, whether he is a boy or it is a girl. Okay, everyone should welcome him. Everyone should be happy and welcome with happy face. Okay, this is few lines of newborn baby. Okay, next is adoption is a kind of deed. Explain. Adoption is a kind of deed. Explain. Now see, adoption, I taught you. See, adoption is a kind of deed. Explain. Children, those who have lost their parents, okay, due to some natural accident or some natural calamities, they are brought. They stay in the orphanage. Now, parents, those who don't have child or they have lost their child, they go to the orphanage and they adopt their child. And they take the child home, they look after the child as their own child, they take care, they love, and they get a new home. Okay, the child gets a new home. This is a kind of deed. Okay, clear? This is a kind of deed. What? Adoption is a kind of deed. Explain this written now. Children, those who have lost their parents, they stay in orphanage. Clear? Now, parents, those who don't have child or they have lost their child, they go to the orphanage and they adopt a child. They bring the child to their home, they love them, they take care of them, and they give them a new home or a family. This is a kind of deed. Okay, between the parents and the child. Okay, so it is known as kind of deed. Clear? Okay, for today this much. Thank you.